Yes, there is a time for everything, and I played a little game with you that you've lost, so it's time for you to pay up. And it's very hostile if you do not do that. They're not comfortable with you not paying up. So now that you've lost, Baltimore, you know that you face the dilemma of dealing with me, the Overlord, GhostDog, and the GhostDog families. We are the ones that oversee the crime. I know you know who we are. Because your traditional crime has been caught with the government and all of the cops stitching and telling through your extortion ring that you've had for years. What do you have to say about